Hi Wildcats, it's Miss Allen coming at you with a short video on how to check your email. I hope you guys are all doing really well. We're getting a lot of calls at the service desk for students that either don't know how to check their email or are having trouble checking their email. So I thought it'd be best to show you the easiest way to check your school email. On your phone or your laptop, Chromebook, iPad, or any other device, open up a browser and go to the Hancock School website, which is hancock.steer.org. On the website, we've added a new drop-down list to include MyApps. So if you go to schools, you'll see that we've added a new button called MyApps Student Login. If you click on that, it opens another tab. In this box, you would put your Hancock email address, which would be your first name dot last name at hancock.steer.org. I'm going to use test staff for this demonstration. Now your password is the same password that you use to log into a computer, and it should be something that you created at the beginning of the year. If you don't remember your password or MyApps tells you that your password is wrong, you can call the service desk and we'll reset your password for you. That phone number is area code 607-766-3800. And then click the sign in button. This opens you up into your MyApps portal, and all of the icons that you see here are apps that have been assigned to you. To get to your email, you would click on the Office 365 mail. Again, it opens up another tab into your Hancock email account. This is how you would create a new message, see messages from your teachers. You have deleted items, set items, and you could also create your own folders. I also wanted to point out when I'm doing this, that there's other apps here that you can explore. You may not have the same apps that you see on my screen, but Schoology is another one that we're getting a lot of phone calls for. Students just don't know how to get into Schoology. You should be able to have a Schoology icon in your MyApps portal and click on it. Google Drive is here, Office 365. This is how you would access your Google Drive file shares. And any of your documents you created here, or you can create new documents and share with your teachers. If you go into Office 365, you can use the online tools of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, all of the Microsoft Office suite. And you could also install Office on your home computer or laptop by clicking on Install Office. That's all. So we would love to hear from you guys. If there's any other videos that you would like to be created, if there's anything that you're having trouble with or would like to see more information on, give us a comment on Facebook, tag us on Twitter, and let us know, and we'll work on getting that out to you. Take care.